Women tend to lose weight more slowly than men, which can be frustrating if you're trying to take weight off quickly. If you want to lose weight fast and keep it off, then skip the fad diets. 1. Changing your diet. Consume fewer calories. To lose weight, you'll need to cut out some of the calories you eat each day. Making a calorie deficit is the first step to quick weight loss. Choose more lean protein and non-starchy vegetables. Eat fruit and whole grains in moderation. Although these foods are healthy additions to any diet, they contain slightly higher amounts of carbohydrates which can slow your rate of weight loss. Limit snacks. When you're trying to lose weight quickly, you'll need to keep tight control on your daily calorie intake. Snacks should be limited to help support this. Drink plenty of water. Not only does drinking enough water help your body function properly, it can aid in weight loss by keeping you full in between meals. Cook more meals at home. It's a lot easier to control portion sizes and calorie content when you cook your own meals at home. 2. Curbing hunger and speeding up your metabolism. Increase your cardio. Exercise can help speed up your weight loss by burning extra calories and speeding up your metabolism. Many women avoid lifting weights at all costs out of fear of gaining bulk. However, increasing and toning your muscle mass can actually help you lose more weight. Drink black coffee or green tea. You may want to try sipping on a flavored beverage like coffee or tea to help curb your appetite. Chew a stick of gum or suck on a hard candy. 3. Staying motivated. Plan for a weight plateau or stall. Many people will experience one or a few stalls in their weight loss. This is normal and to be expected, so don't give up on your plan. Start a journal. Any big lifestyle change can be difficult to follow long term. Journaling can help you keep track of your progress and be a place to vent frustrations or write about exciting progress. Find a diet buddy. Dieting can get lonely, especially if the people around you lead unhealthy lifestyles. Having a friend to diet and exercise with can help you stay motivated and actually make dieting fun. Get enough sleep. Adults should be getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Reduce stress. When you are stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, which tells your body to conserve energy, i.e., hang on to fat.
If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.